In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an overview of Socrative.com, a website that provides the ability to have student response systems without spending any money. It's perfect for BYOD. So let's go to www.socrative.com, and for you, the first timer, you would go in and teacher sign up. For me, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Now, on the main page, we see a number of areas. The first thing I'd like to point out is the room number. Now, they will provide you a room number, but I've changed mine, and a good place to start here would be to go down to My Profile and click on that. In it, you can change things like email address, passwords. Here's your change the room number, or edit teacher information. But another great spot to start would be to take the training tour that gives you a overview of everything that's here. But I'm going to continue on showing you the other parts. So we'll go back to the main screen. I have another tutorial that will show you how to do the single question activities, which are great for students. But I would like to show you every day what you would do. So the first part you have is you have start quiz, exit ticket, space race. But you have to have a quiz first. So you want to manage quizzes, create, edit, and import them. So we're going to click there. Now we're given a choice here of creating a quiz, importing a quiz that you may already have, editing one, duplicating, or deleting. And if I click on here, as you can see, I already have some quizzes written. So I could open those and edit or add on to them. Or I can create a new quiz. So first, create a new quiz. Decide whether you're going to allow others to use it by sharing, or you can unclick this. You would give the quiz a name, and then you would start adding the type of questions. You have multiple choice and short answer. Remember that true and false are multiple choice. So you have these choices, and then you would hit save, and then would begin to build the quiz. I won't want to go back to the main system here to show you the rest of the things. So once you have a quiz to choose from, you can go to start a quiz. And these are running a pre-made quiz. Now I have a choice of a student pace quiz where they answer questions at their own pace, or one that you set the pace of answering the questions. So that would be your choice. Also, you could randomize the answer choices, so therefore a student next to another student would not see the same order of answers. Disable immediate right-wrong feedback, so that because the way it works is it will tell them whether they're right or wrong. And if you don't want them to know yet, then you can disable this. And you can also hide question explanations. So I can, at this point, choose the quiz I want. I'm going to choose Student Pace Quiz. And from here, the students will begin to take the quiz. Now, on their devices, they will have either downloaded the app, Socrative Student, or they could just go on their browser and put in m.socrative.com, and it will get them to the same spot. They would then enter, in either case, the room number, that is your room only, and they could then begin to take the quiz and answer the questions, and you will see the live results coming through right here. When you hit End Activity, what you will have then is it will come up and ask you if it wants to email you the answers, and where you see everybody's results. I'm going to go back now again. I'm going to say no report, so we can just leave it. So that's what starting a quiz and running a quiz is. The exit ticket is a little different, and what this does is at the end of the day, you want to get an idea of how the class is understanding. You can open this up. Again, they would go to the same spot. You would find out right away. They have some choices of, did you understand everything? How well did you understand it? And they answer it, and that gives you a feel for how the students are understanding it that day. Again, then you can run a report from that or no report. Another fun thing is the space race, where you take a quiz and you can choose, again, I'll choose a quiz. I'm going to say there's 2 teams, and I want you to auto-assign team colors. And this is what it would look like. And the students will be assigned to different colors of either yellow or red. And they can answer the questions and have a little race. And so that can be a lot of fun too. Again, you will have a report that anytime there are student names involved, there's a report available so you know how the students are doing. Say you want to be in here and you do one quiz, but you want to do another, what you could do is clear the room, which takes all the students that are on there out again, and then they would have to come back into the room for the new quiz. That's your choice. So this is an overview of how Socrative works. Again, it's for student response systems using devices, any device that has a browser or either Apple or Android device that has the app. When you're done, you can log out of here, and that closes out this overview. This ends this tutorial.